It's not a dink, but it's just not. Well, it's kind of a dink, I guess. Oh, he's stuck to the floor. Chill out, dude. Bro, chill out. Dink. Number 3. You snagged 2 fish. That's not the same thing. And you got a tiny bass. I don't think we're tied. Fish. I don't think I need a net. No.
Catch a bigger one already.
I'm trying.
I mean, can't you catch one at least?
I got the most fish in the boat right now, so. Whoops, all over my phone. Fish number 4. Got my glove. We didn't catch many fish over here, did we, yesterday?
I think we caught more
Down there, right? The bigger ones were down there. This is just where all those fish were last fall. Yeah.
I didn't think we caught a whole lot of fish last fall.
Yeah, but there was big fish over here.
Yeah, there was like a couple of fish.
Haven't gotten a single fish. I got 1 bite, but then nothing, so I switched to a square bill. Caught a lot of smallmouth over here yesterday in the boat, so we're trying it from the bank, see if we can. I'm looking for bigger fish. The biggest fish we got, I don't know, it wasn't that big, like not even, like maybe not even half a pound, really. So I'm going for larger fish. A big largemouth or smallmouth. There's a trench out here that there's some large fish in that we know there's big fish in, but I can't. The water's much higher than it was when we came here last. I think it's pretty flat in here. And then once we get around this bend right here, then we'll get into some better water. That's where we caught most of our fish yesterday. Our larger fish anyway. We got small fish in here, but dude, this stuff sucks to walk on. I might have to just go walk up above it. Oh yeah. There's a higher chance of snakes up here though. My hat's about to fly off. Try right here for a couple casts. Oh yeah. That's windy. It's cold. Had a little follow there by a little largemouth. Might stick around here for a sec. I want to get a fish, so I might just hang out here and try to catch. 1 usually means there's more. That's the first fish I've seen all day. I'm following my bait, so. Oh, there he was again. He's not big. It's probably the biggest one so far, but today. Yeah, this is more like drop-off stuff right here. This looks way better. The bank got a lot steeper right here, which I think is good. It's also a point right here. I
want to be ready to get out of
Yeah. I'm not gonna. Oh. I can. It's starting.
here. Got it.
I can feel it.
I can feel it too.
Let's go.
What's that? What's that? What? You shall not fly. Yeah, I don't think I got you. I just got Jacob's sunburnt neck. Jacob, move. Yeah, it's starting to rain.
Just a little bit.
Oh, yeah. It's hard to move.
Oh yeah. Where's this sign? Over there? Oh, it does have a roof. Let's go.
Wind's gonna blow and get us soaked.
Dude.
Let's wait for them.
Oh, it's starting to rain. I can feel it.
Guys, you might want to hurry up.
It's raining harder. You can do that at the sign. Come on. It's cold. Our GoPro battery is waterproof.
No.
We're about to find out.
Oh man. Dude, this is waterproof.
Yeah, this is. I got batteries in my backpack inside
That's
a little
not waterproof.
inside little plastic cases that aren't waterproof.
Yeah.
Oh.
You idiot. He just wants to get wet, I guess.
Yeah. He's undoing it. Are you kidding me? Look how much he still has.
Is it picking up? Yeah, I think so.
Kinda. Hey, we all caught a fish. Except you.
Shut up.
It's not.
Oh, it's still cold. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful homeless shelter.
Right here.
Yeah.
We built this in 2 hours.
We're homeless now. Gotta change that cut.
It's that cold. He's just trying to stay warm.